Hello, my presentation, my family. My name is Marta Fonseca. I am 29 years old. I am a student at Sena, and is my family. She is my baby. Her name is Natalia. Her age is 1 year old. She is my daughter. Her name is Mariana. Her age is 10 years old. She is a student. He is my husband. His name is Rodrigo. His age is 37 years old. He is conductor. She is my mother. Her name is Rosa. Her age is 30 years old. She is a housewife. She is my sister. Her name is Lucia. Her age is 37.